Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'll show you how to make cute light lamps
We
using
will be
balloons.
showing you some
They're
beautiful
easy,
and
fun, and will
decorative
brighten up any
lamps
room.
using the
Do not
balloons.
forget
So
to
first
subscribe,
take a
like, and
balloon and
share.
put the
If
tissue
you
paper
find the
over it
video
and then
helpful.
apply the glue
Ready
using
to
the
get
brush.
started?
Now put
Let's
some
go.
leaves and flowers and again cover it using the tissue papers like this. And your beautiful lamp is almost ready. Now you have to just blow out the balloon from it like this. Cut it and remove it and put a beautiful light inside it like this. Put a thread to hang it and it's ready. Next, we will make a beautiful lamp using the peanut shells. So first take a balloon and then paste the peanut shells on it like this one by one. Put it very carefully and decorate it like this. Now let it dry. After that, we will blow out the balloon and then remove it. Now after that, we will put the beautiful light inside it like this and hang it. And it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be making a beautiful hanging lamp. Take a plastic bottle and cover it using fruit foam net. Now, take a paper and cut out the leaf from it like this and put it. Now, put the fairy light inside it and your pineapple theme hanging lamp is ready. Next, take a paper cup like this. Put a glue inside it. Now, take a balloon and roll it using the thread as shown in the video. Put the glue over it. Now, remove the balloon from it and then put the fairy light inside it and your bunny theme lamp is ready. Next, we'll be making a mushroom theme lamp. First, take a plastic bottle. Now, take a clay and then put it on a transparent glass sheet like this. Now, we will take the clay and make the mushroom like this and cover it. Now, put the green clay around and make the dots on it. Make some flowers using the clay and decorate it as shown in the video. You can decorate it as per your choice like this and put the lamp inside the mushroom and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take the glue like this in a container. Next, take the tissue papers and apply the glue over it. Put some leaves and flowers and then again cover it using tissue paper. Now, make a frame using these sticks like this. Cover it like this and then put the papers. Put the lamp and it's ready. Next, take a glass bottle and then cover it using jute thread. Now, take a balloon and cover it using the shells like this and then blow out the balloon. Now, fix it over the bottle and it's ready. Next, take a glue in a container and mix some water in it. Now put the tissue paper over the balloon and then apply the glue over it. Now remove the balloon like this. After that, make the eyes and mouth of the balloon and make a bunny. Put the light inside it and your lamp is ready. Next, take a plastic bottle and put the thread on the sides. Now cover it using the yellow sheet. Now take a pink color paper and make the lines on it and make a lotus flower as shown in the video. Now spread it from the sides, put the lamp and it's ready. Next, we will take a balloon like this. Now cover it using the tissues as shown in the video. Clear it first. Now apply the glue over the balloon like this. After that, decorate it using the papers. Roll it and then cover it again. Fix it as shown in the video one by one. Now put the light inside it after removing the balloon and your beautiful lamp is ready. Next, take an orange and remove its pulp like this. Now make the eyes, mouth on the top of the orange peel as shown in the video using a black marker. Now make the ears using the peel, fix it and your beautiful lamp is ready. Next, take an egg and remove its yolk. Now make the eyes and nose, mouth on the top of it. Make the bunny out of it. Now put the lamp inside it and it's ready.
Don't forget to subscribe. Like the video if you find it helpful to share, so I can bring more fun ideas you like by recycling available